Hi friends, this is by Ellipse online learning platform and I hope you know why you are here. So let's start this topic. But wait a second, I'm not going to cover this topic in a boring way. I want to make this video engaging. But how can we do this? Well, I have an idea. So, have you ever wondered what we are made of? The human body is a complex and fascinating organism composed of variety of elements and compounds that work together to keep us alive and healthy. The human body is made up of trillions of cells which are basic building blocks of life. These cells work together to form tissues, organs, organ system and each with its own specialized functions. Over time, this system develop and grow and giving rise to the complex organism that is human body. From the tiniest cell to the most complex system, each part of a body plays a critical role in keeping us alive and healthy. So, in 1665, a man named Robert Hooke was studying a thin slice of cork under a microscope. As he looked closer, he noticed tiny box-like structure that he called cells. This was the first time anyone had ever seen such a structures and it was a breakthrough in the study of biology. Around the same time, another scientist named Antony van Leeuwenhoek was making his own discoveries. He was the first person to observe living cells under a microscope using a simple device he had crafted himself. In the late 1670s, he observed bacteria and protozoa in the sample of pond water and other materials, opening a new whole world of research. Fast forward to mid 1800s, when two German scientists Matthias Jakob Schleiden and Theodor Schwann proposed the cell theory. This theory stated that all living beings are made up of cells and that cells are the basic unit of life. This was a huge step forward in our understanding of biology and paved the way for many more discoveries to come. Finally, in 1858, a German physician named Rudolf Virchow proposed the idea of biogenesis. This theory stated that all cells come from pre existing cells rather than being spontaneously generated. This was a revolutionary idea that helped to shape our understanding of how life works at the cellular level. Okay, I hope you understand until now. As I told you earlier, that in the mid 1800s, the two scientists named Matthias Jakob Schleiden and Theodor Schwann were studying plant and animal tissues under a microscope. As they observed these tissues, they noticed something remarkable. They were all composed of cell. These observations led them to propose a revolutionary new idea, which would come known as cell theory. The cell theory states that all living organisms are composed of cell. Cell are the basic unit of life and the smallest entity that can be considered alive. This idea was a breakthrough in the understanding of biology as it helped to explain how living beings are organized and how they function. Another key aspect of the cell theory is the principle of biogenesis, which states that the cell arises from pre-existing cells, and the idea was proposed by Rudolf Virchow in 1855, helped to disapprove the earlier theory of spontaneous generation of cell, which held that living organisms could arise spontaneously from non-living matter. Finally, cell theory also highlighted the remarkable abilities of cell. They can perform all the function of life, including metabolism, growth, reproduction, and etc. From the simplest single cell organism to the most complex multicellular creatures, cells are the building blocks of life. And that's it with this video. I hope you understand the cell discovery and as well as the cell theory. If I'm not wrong, then give us a like and subscribe this channel and share this video to your friends. And we are new to YouTube, so I think this was enough to get your engagement. So do it. And we meet again with another video. Until bye.